dangerous stuffs. And so, I'll build it, okay? It's so number 1. We have the squasher. Hey, it's for safety, but it's not safety.
Hindi pa siya napupulot. Hindi siya napupulot, ba?
Ha?
Hindi siya napupulot. Or nakabutan mo kayo.
Ayan.
Ay, di ba, madalas hindi ka natutulog.
Oo. Hindi maaga sa isa po.
Unpredictable pa. Hindi naiyak.
Paano ka sa protein mo?
Oo nga pala, akit baba yan.
So, next we have the squasher.
Okay. Next.
It's not.
What are you playing? Oh.
You go in.
I'm gonna tell you something, ha? Don't be galit. Don't be mad. Not all Caleb's teaching is correct. Punching is not good. Only punching is good if you're a boxer like Manny Pacquiao. You know him?
Yes.
That's his job. He punched, then he have money. But if you're not a boxer, you're not allowed to punch. Okay? You will go to school, not punch.
Look, you got squeezed. You got escape. What
Okay?
is
What
that?
is that?
You escape. You crack your bones.
What is that?
That's dangerous. 100%.
Yeah.
It's going to squash you and die. You die.
Then don't go there. Just stay away.
It's from America. It's from hired. From the army hired.
That's not right. You're killing it.
But you have a knife.
Oh, you're gonna kill it.
We have 2 knives. It's so pain.
I think you don't play that. That you're killing the people.
No, that's not the same. It's just a game. You can kill people easily.
Not in real life. That's right or wrong?
Wrong.
Yeah. Okay. Now you
But this is a
understand.
game.
Yeah, just the game. Okay.
Ay, nako, yung mga laro niya ay mga pangit.
His name is Melusembo. You
At least
can
alam mo na.
kill in pieces only.
Okay, not in real life. Killing
Yes.
is bad. Very good.
Ah! You got killed it.
What if we watch Mumu like that? It kills people. You know what?
Nope.
Oh, you're afraid.
Next, we have a strap clothes. It's a helmet, but it's just a helmet, and then it stop
Where
fight
did money go?
on the hospital.
Oh my god.
Because they want a job.
What if we were to in the hospital? You clean. And I clean. We clean dead people.
See?
In hospital, there's dead there, right? There's dead people.
Yes.
Then we clean them. You want a job? You clean dead people?
And this is a dangerous helmet. You wore it. You got so pain.
I don't like watching it. It's immortal. It's morbid. Yeah. Is there other game that's not morbid?
Yes, his name is Minecraft.
How
But you
about
can
others?
eat. Next.
Roblox.
I guess this. You can fight. Okay, so let's. No, you get two songs. Everyone that you got died from the Dangerous Hamlet. No, this one is it's a phone trap. It's and it's too dangerous. Everyone tried that and died. Because there's a spike.
Lucas, can you stop playing that? It's not good. Even though it's a game, it's not right.
Bro, that's not even scary.
It's not scary, but what you do to the stickman is not good. You kill it, even though it's a game. Oo, pinapatay niya.
Ginagawa ko sila ng bahay, kaya pinapatay na sa kanila.
Pinapatay niya, tinutusok niya ng kutsilyo, iniipit niya, kaya nga di maganda eh. Is that what Caleb taught you? Ano ba yung game na yan? Paano ba yan, Scarlett? Ano ginagawa
Next
dyan?
is trap phone.
Noong nakaraan, naglalaban lang kami ni Caleb. Bakit ngayon parang pinapatay?
It's a trap phone. Everyone knows it's a normal phone. But the truth of is still
Oo, pwede ka gumawa ng bahay.
next.
Yeah, it's not good. Killing is not right, ha? Don't do it again. If you do it again, I'll delete that game.
It's my favorite.
But you're killing it. It's not right.
Next we have a
Anong pangalan ng game na yan?
and so we have a dangerous.
Ay, loko. Paano niya nalaman yung killing? Paano niya nalaman yung killing na feature? Kasi merong mga barrel, may kutsilyo. Paano niya nalaman yun?
Next we have this. It's so dangerous.
Just build, don't kill. Okay? Gusto ko buko yun dito din.
Bro, we need. Did you know? Pencil box is too haunted. Next we have this. It's too dangerous, but it's dangerous a bit. So what's moving? I'll make it 8.
Ano sabi ng kapatid mo? Kailangan makuha na yung reward sa business. Kaya nga, pero sana kami napupunta siya.
Oo.
Sa Monday, hindi ko kaya. I-send ko lang. B, nakikinig ka ba? Ay, naku. Yung December, pag di mo yung nasikaso, uwi ka na lang doon ka mag-aral.
Okay. 1 and 2
Sunday ba bukas
and
din?
3.
Oh, yun naman pala eh.
Wala, kung
So, it's dangerous.
Ipadala ko na sa Gcash mo yung pera para bukas. Hindi ka, tanghali ka na
It's so
gumigising.
dangerous.
Ay, may chat mo yun. Mag-i-start na yung mga school.
It's very simple. Look. It's the head now. And it will stop. We're going to shock. We're going Stop. Okay, it's only for 5. Okay, next we have the elevator.
Genesis ka na ba dyan,
An
Bes?
elevator man. It's very important.
Kaya pala, ginamit pala
It's
niya.
terrifying. We
Kaya
will
pala
die.
kala ko pinapanood yung video mo.
Two-
Ginamit pala niya.
two-
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, visit ba yan?
The players died. Everyone died here. Look at it. And everybody died. I need basic principle, but the box. So you break it. How dangerous is it? Okay, so next, look, we have melon. Melon is so scary. Stop next up for them.
Wanna sit here?
Melon. Melon is so kind of scary
Yeah, Melon is kind, but you're killing him. That's not kind.
because you give him a sword. Look what he did. What he do? And this is a player. What happened? It got
Killing.
it got big. Got big blood. We have a knife. That's how it's dangerous.
What's this?
Next, that's the video. Next, we have a flasher, Melo. He's corrupted and infected. Headshot! Headshot.
Shut. I don't like that. It's morbid.
That's the top 5.
I don't like blood.
You have blood in
If
what
you want blood, I'll let you watch Mumu. Sige ka. We'll watch Mumu.
and what
It haunts kids.
you have blood and what do you do? You have blood, bro.
Yeah, but it's not leaking. Like that. It's leaking. Binag-ingat ka, di ka na naglalaro ah.
That's how it's dangerous.